Hi everybody. So today's focus is going to be a clean with me video. I'm going to tackle cleaning a kitchen drawer that drives me insane. Okay? It's one of those drawers that I shove and stuff everything in, yet I don't really know what's in it anymore, and it's starting to not be able to close. So let's get into decluttering and cleaning out this dreaded kitchen drawer. So I feel really better having the drawer empty, but I had a really weird collection of things in here. So now I just figure out how I want things put back and make a pile of things that are just gonna have to be stored somewhere else. So I made a bin of all the different birthday and baking stuff that was in this drawer, and I think this is gonna go somewhere else. So it had all those birthday candles that I kept finding, as well as like icing bags and muffin, cupcake liners. Okay, so this will go somewhere else. I'm gonna throw away all this stuff. That stuff is all trash. My mixer needs good cleaning, but I know the mixer, little mixy spinny things, are in another drawer, so I have to find that. This goes to a griddle that I have, and I think that's in storage. So this is gonna go somewhere else for now. Don't care about it. Deal with it later. Don't care. And everything else here, I think I'm going to put back in this drawer. So these are my outdoor grilling utensils, skewers for the grill. There's some coasters here that probably don't belong in the drawer. And these, which I forgot I even had, this is awful. I have these reusable like Ziploc bags, and what I used to do is I used to put cut vegetables in them, and then I forgot I had them. So it's good to be reminded of the things that you have, so I can actually use them properly. All right, so I'm gonna go start to put this stuff back in the drawer, the things that are gonna belong in the drawer.